Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of everything you need to know about algebra in year 8. Let's get started. Introduction to algebra. First, you should know what is a variable like x, y, t, etc. You should know what is an algebraic expression, which is a combination of constants and variables connected by the four operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, like x plus 3, 10 minus x, 4x, x by 5, etc. What is the term? In the expression 3x minus 12, 3x and minus 12, these are all the terms you have. Coefficient of algebraic terms. In the algebraic term, 8a, b, c, d, 8 is the coefficient of a, b, c, d, 8a is the coefficient of b, c, d, 8ab is the coefficient of c, d, and so on. What is a constant? A symbol that has a fixed numerical value that is called a constant. In 7p, 7 is a constant term. Operations involving variables. You should know that how to add, subtract, multiply and give powers to a variable. Terms of an algebraic expressions. You should know what is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Like and unlike terms. You should know the difference between like and unlike terms. Evaluation of an algebraic expression. You should know that how to evaluate 5x plus 3 when x is equal to 7. Algebraic equations. You should know that what are algebraic equations and how to solve it, like x plus 7 is equal to 15. Solutions of an algebraic equation by trial and error method. Translating statements into algebraic equations, like twice a number increased by 7 is 13. What is the number? Solving the equations using the principle of balance, using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Solving equations using combinations of operations, collecting like terms. You should add, subtract or combine like terms. Expanding brackets. Expanding a term with brackets is sometimes called expanding the brackets or multiplying out the brackets. Constructing and solving equations. In polynomials, polynomials in one variable, polynomials in many variables, degree of a polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and the difference between algebraic expressions and polynomial. Addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, multiplication of polynomials. In multiplication of polynomials, we have monomial by a monomial, monomial by a binomial, polynomial by a monomial, binomial by a binomial, trinomial by a binomial, trinomial by a trinomial. Division of polynomials. Inside this, you should know division of a monomial by a monomial, division of a polynomial by a monomial, division of a polynomial by a polynomial. You should know the identities also. These are the basic three identities you have. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Geometrical representation of the above mentioned three identities. You should know that. Application of identities also. Some more important identities you should know that. A plus b the whole cube will be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket of a plus b. A minus b the whole cube will be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab bracket a plus b. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab bracket of a minus b. A plus b plus c the whole square you should know, which is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. If you know everything, then you are good to go in grade 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.